Welcome to the Windows and Computer and Technology channel. And as we talked about it last week, there were quite a few updates for the Chromium project and Google Chrome. 0 days exploded in the wild, really bad 0 days. And we did have a update on Friday for Microsoft Edge, but they did not include the 0-day fixes. So if you are using Microsoft Edge or if you're on a Chromium browser, extremely important. This is critical. Go and check your updates. Make sure that you're up to date. For Microsoft Edge, the version now is 146.0.3856.62. And whatever you're using, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, anything that is not Firefox, do check out the updates because this is a critical flaw that's being fixed. It is two critical flaws that are fixed, and they are actively and apparently very actively exploded on the wall to try to, get control of your computer and infect your machines. And remember that when the flaws are exploited, they're not visible to your antivirus. Most of the time, this will go through, and the antivirus will not have time to detect, and the malware that's going to be pushed through this is going to have time to actually break the detections of pretty much all the antivirus. Once again, antivirus is not a number one protection. It's not even in the top 10 if you ask security researchers. It's very important to understand that. Fixing security flaws and your behavior are 99.9% of what keeps you secure, not the antivirus. So do go and make your Edge browser, update your Edge browser, and do check for the updates of any Chromium browser you might be using to make sure that you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.